As usual, I do these on days when I need to get to work. We've got the Republic Music Festival and opera, symphony this weekend. So let's close things out with the coffin corner. And this is the area that you're not going to recognize from previous videos, because outside of the moringa tree and accompanying amazingly successful basil partner, the coffin corner has turned into, well, it's in transition. When the trellises end, the coffin begins and gets to the corner and ends up and stops over at moringa plant. So everything we tried to plant against this wall over here on our platform, no bueno. So we went with the hardiest product that we got, which is our luteikoi. So we got one, I think it's a purple, yellow, orange luteikoi. Whether or not they stay there or go into the back of the corner remains to be seen. But I'm going to try to vine and trellis them and get them out there, because they're just low maintenance, good to go, let them go. Sun, no sun, they grow. Prolific producers though. This Mahalo eggplant, Mahalo long has been, I mean, I don't have any on right now, but they were big, talking 1 footers. Single stem coming out of a 5-gallon pot. Actually, this might even just be a 3-gallon, but this Mahalo plant doing great. The failed experiment, but producing insane amounts of product, is our 10-gallon pot with the 2 Filipino eggplants. You can see a couple of cloning tomatoes over here, but this guy has been doing it well. Represent Queens. I was raised out in Brooklyn. But what this plant has been doing has been giving us at least 2, 3, 4, 5 fruits every week, if not more. And there'll be spurts when I'll EM one and fertilize it, and we'll have literally 6 new flowers in a day. So 2 eggplants entering the corner, prolific producers. Yeah, about those cherry tomatoes and the 2, 3 zucchinis. Yeah, well, we've made room. Oh yeah, and the failed attempt at a beautiful trellis structure for our squash. Yeah, well, you see, what happened was the lack of sun, the lack of air circulation against the wall over there kind of leads me to believe that nothing that really requires sunlight can grow against the wall, except for the luteikoi. We'll talk about the caterpillars later. The bitter melon, and between those 2, I think I'm going to line the wall over here, because I'm down with luteikoi. You know, it takes a while, but because everything else dies around these corners over here, I think I'll do a wall of luteikoi and then a wall of bitter melon over here, and then call it a day. Bring everything forward, and then we'll have our long beans, which have been, what's the word? Oh yeah, shitty. Oh hey lizard. Probably need to, sorry dude. And zucchini, which has been inconsistent. We'll pull them away from the wall, try to put them in this little front area, and have the perimeter of the corner be lined with vined products. Overall, there has been death. There has been a culling, a cutting, making space, but there is a plan moving forward. And right now, other than the unwieldy, funky ass growth of this huge ass 2 in a 10-gallon, that was just dumb. Other than the growth of the eggplants here, some beans, a little, and prolific leaf production from the malunggay, coffin corner has been living up to its name. The next time we do this long monthly update, we'll have growth that will cover the corner, match the greenery of the trellises, you know, catch your attention into the leafy ledges, and everything will be green, beautiful, bountiful, and good. That's garden time from your Hawaii Patio gardener.